Hiya. Yesterday after the tutorial putting the black line around your image to cut out in the scan and cut, somebody asked me how they mark their images, so I thought I would show you. This is a photograph I took a few years ago in Portugal, so it's my photograph, there's no copyright infringement. Okay, so we're not going to add a new layer, we're just going to leave it as it is. We're going to come down to our text tool, click on it, and come up to create as, and for this instance we're using vector. Pick your font, pick your size, and have stroke width at 0. Okay, whatever colours you want is fine, and click on your image. Now I've just put wee man because I've just put wee man, click apply, and over on the right hand side right click on vector and come down to convert to raster layer. Come to edit copy and edit paste as new image, and you'll see now that it has copied whatever was on that layer. Okay, so that's how you put your signature on. How to keep it, not to use again and again, is come to File, Export, Picture Tube, and you'll get this little box, and just put a name in it, whatever you want to call it, and click OK. So now every time you open PaintShop Pro, you'll have your signature there ready. Always remember you're working with a tube, layers, new raster layer, or over this side right click and new raster layers up at the top. Come down your tools till you come to picture tube tool. It's got 3 dots underneath it. Up here this little box is where the presets are, and you've just made a preset, and there's mine there, and all I do now is click on my image, and that's how you make a signature. The other thing I was going to show you how to do was how to watermark an image. Okay, I'm just going to take a section of this because it will be handier. Okay, so this time we go layers, right click here, new raster layer, and click OK. Click on your text tool, come up to the top, and this time create as floating. Okay, leave everything else the same, and what I'm going to do is make my stroke colour black, and click on it because I want my text to be white in this instance, and apply. Now you'll see now I've got merchants around my word. Go to effects, texture effects, emboss, and do it again, effects, texture effects, and emboss, and select none. If you come over to your layers palette, you'll see raster ones highlighted. In a straight line, go across to the right, and you'll come to something that said normal. This is your blend mode. Click on the little arrow and come down to overlay, and you'll see now that your text has changed. It's transparent. Wherever you put it, it'll take on the colour of what's behind it. So that's how you watermark your image. You can save this as a tube as well, so you can always use it by going edit copy, edit paste as a new image. Now you'll notice the overlay has gone. So if we go File, Export, Picture Tube, and call it watermark, click OK. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to delete this just so you can see. Remember, layers, new raster layer, picture tube, and up to the top, and we're looking for watermark, which is here. And now click on your image, you'll see the overlay has gone. Come back over to the normal where the blend mode is and come down to overlay. And that's it, you have a permanent watermark stored in PaintShop Pro. Always there to use it. Okay, hope you enjoyed that, and I'll speak soon. Bye bye.